The Medley Solar team and Remax Properties East are proud to present another great Louisville area home. Welcome to 137 Nature Trail in the Audubon Park subdivision, just off of Highway 155. It's almost 1.5 acres out here with upgrades. A finished walkout will take you on a tour inside. You walk into a nice size living room with a tray ceiling and ceiling fan, and it's just off a good size eat-in kitchen. The kitchen features lots of cabinet space, lots of countertop space, and a view of a wonderful backyard. And the movable island, by the way, will not stay. The house really has a lot of room. In fact, as you walk through this house, you'll feel like there's just plenty of space in here. You don't feel crowded. Our next stop, we'll take a look back, by the way, to this large living room to give you another view from this angle. And then our next stop will be back towards the bedrooms here on the first floor. First stop here on the left is a full bathroom. Next stop is bedroom number 1, which is currently being used as a playroom. Next to it, bedroom number 2. And finally, bedroom number 3, the master bedroom. Ceiling fan, tray ceiling, 2 closets in here, and its own master bath. We head down to the lower level now. There's a laundry room to the left with a little storage in there. There's also more storage to the right, but just take a look at how big this lower level is, which is also a walkout. There's an enormous amount of entertaining space. Again, this has been professionally finished. And one of the neat features down here in the lower level is over here to the right, just behind me. We'll take a walk into it now. A full bath that really has a couple of great upgrades, including a jacuzzi style or whirlpool style tub. Take a look. Out back now, the deck overlooks a beautiful backyard with lots of trees. There's also a lower level patio. And just to give you a feel of living out here, we'll take a little walk through the woods. To see 137 Nature Trail, call the Medley Solar team at area code 502-992-4203. I'm Bob Sokoler, the Medley Solar team, Remax Properties East.